So this week in art, we're going to be having a little look at this sheet that you'll find in your art pack and having a look at something called analogous colours. So you will notice 4 different sections of colours and this little circle up here. So what this is called, this circle is called the colour wheel. So in the colour wheel, we have our 3 primary colours. You should all know what our 3 primary colours are. Yellow, blue and red. They're our primary colours. And they are quite opposite each other on the colour wheel, spread as far out as possible on the colour wheel. Next, our primaries, we have our secondaries. This is our secondary colours. So you can hear that secondary, 2. So if we mixed blue and red together, 2 colours, we would create our secondary colour, which is purple. So that would be 1 secondary colour. If we mix blue and yellow together, that creates green, another secondary colour. Then if we mix red and yellow together, that creates orange, our 3rd secondary colour. So we've got our primary colours and our secondary colours. Now, if we mixed our purple and our blue together, we would create this kind of bluey purple colour, which we would call our tertiary colours. Tertiary colours. So, primary colours, secondary colours, tertiary colours. So when we're talking about analogous colours, they are the colours that are next door to each other on the colour wheel. So this is where down here comes in handy. Down here we've got 4 different sections from the colour wheel that shows our groups of analogous colours. So these are what's next door to each other on the colour wheel just down here. So it's really easy and simple for you to see what our groups of analogous colours are going to be. So for my crystal cluster that I did this week, I have used this section in our analogous colours. This green, blue, violet, blue and violet. That was the colours that I chose because I chose to do a blue oil pastel. If you chose to do red, then you could either pick this one, this section of colours, or you could maybe choose this section of colours. That would be up to you. You definitely wouldn't be using this section of colours. So that is how we're going to be using analogous colours this week.